Hey guys, welcome to what I like to call my studio store. Big changes are coming. Sorry, I did not upload a video yesterday, and I'm not sure I'm going to be uploading one this week. I will try my best. The thing is, I have been working here and working there. Some of you may have noticed I worked in my kitchen, I worked in my living room, I work in my studio store here, as I like to call it. However, the space here that I have been working with it's not good. It's not good for recording. It's not good for how I want to function. And so, yeah, I am trying to make the switch. The reason why it's not good is because check this out. That's the ceiling there. Maybe I can step up here so you guys can see it a little better. But yeah, that's the ceiling. And that's my table right here. And so it is far too low. And I figure I felt a little I wouldn't say distressed, but yeah, I didn't feel too good this week. And so I figure I'm gonna go ahead and make a change. So what I have done now is pulled everything apart from the lower level of the space, because this section here has a very high ceiling, well, maybe just about 8 feet ceiling, right? And so it is better for me to set up an area down here. So I have actually pulled apart everything that was in the middle here. I have taken the merchandise that were there. I have stocked everything over here, and I'm gonna take you guys around the corner here to show you, because check this out. There is a lot more in this corner also. And yeah, the unit that was down here, I had put them together. They were just some basic IKEA shelves, and I put reclaimed lumber at the back of them. Let me move this so you can see. I put reclaimed lumber on the back of them, and then I had joined those two along with some drawers, some reused drawers from side tables, and I had put that one with it and this one with it. So I had a massive unit in the middle here, which I took the time to pull apart. So now one is here, one is there, that's there, and I am going to be moving out my demonstration sewing cutting table, because that will be going down here. That unit there was also up here. It was under here. I have moved it out because it's gonna play the same role down there. What I also want to do is move these two half tables out, because what I did was separate a table and just put them up against the wall for display. I'm gonna move these out. They're gonna be finding themselves a home somewhere up there where the cutting demonstration, let's just say demonstration table, is being moved from. And my desk in this corner here, it's gonna find its way over here. And then for this space here, what I'm gonna do is, yeah, it's a lot of work, my friends. What I'm gonna do is move my table out from there, and I'm gonna put it in this area here, because that's actually a sewing table. The table I'm calling my demonstration table is actually where I usually cut on, and then I stitch at that. Sometimes I stitch at this one. And when I move that to over here, what I'm then going to do is put some more rods here to put on my fabrics, because I have a lot of fabric that I would prefer to hang. I don't like putting them on shelves. I prefer to hang them so they're not piled on top of each other, because what happens sometimes when the fabrics are piled on top of each other and they have a crease such as this, it wears in the crease. But when they're hung, the crease is not so sharp, and so the pieces don't wear as much. Yesterday, actually, I moved these over here. They were outside over there on that wall where I have now put the shelving unit. I put these in here. And so, because I use my two little hands to make a separation here so I could have a little storage area. This, you may be wondering what I'm doing with this big barrel here, but I have polyfill in that barrel that I use for all my projects. And so I'm gonna have to rejig, as I like to say, this space, and so that I can, check this out, all these drawers are filled with fabrics and projects that I am doing. And so yeah, I'm gonna bring some more fabrics in hanging here, and I have totes and totes and totes of fabric in the house right now, and so I will get some space there to put them. But yeah, guys, what the aim of all it's like a domino, right, effect. You touch one and they all fall, because what I'm aiming at really is to have a decent space so I can function and just be creative, because I find myself sometimes not being able to be creative because I always have to be pushing this here, pushing that there, moving this here, and it bears on me. And so I'm hoping that what I'm doing right now will, and so I am hoping that what I'm doing right now will actually make a difference so that I can function and do what I really love to do. Be creative and share with you guys. Right. So yeah, over time the space will evolve, because I want to move out all those stuff from behind and relocate them so I can just have my materials and materials and stuff, my materials and notions, yeah, that I am working with to be around me. And then just across from me here, it will generally be the same. I will have all the soft goods that I have made and the curated vintage new to you stuff over here in this section. It will all be sorted out, but it's going to take a little doing. But you know what, guys, sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. Make a push to get things done, and then when they are done, you know that they are done and you move on, right? So that is what I'm doing in this moment. Thank you guys so much for your support here. It means a lot to me. Yeah. Yeah, that's basically it. That's basically what I'm doing right now, guys. Check all the videos on the channel and like, share, comment, and if you have not yet subscribed, I appreciate your subscription. And remember to hit that bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. You guys take care now. I will see you again soon.